The size and complexity of software that we build today is many orders of magnitude greater than the size and complexity of software that used to be built a couple of decades ago. Because of this, there is a significant risk factor involved in every project. Any serious model of software development must therefore include an element of risk analysis. The spiral model of software development does just that. What this model recommends is that you do 4 things for each stage, whether it be requirements analysis, design, or coding. First, you plan the stage. Then, you evaluate the alternatives you have for that stage. Third, you analyze the risks that the stage faces. Finally, you engineer or execute the stage. This way, you spiral outwards towards a complete system. What does this imply for the coding stage? You plan for coding by deciding who will code what and estimating how much time will be taken to code each bit. Evaluating alternatives for coding might include looking at various code generation tools that are available. Risk analysis would probably highlight the fact that the compiler version that we have is not as recent as the version the client has, or that the programmers are proficient in C but not proficient in SQL. At the end of all this, you would actually roll up your sleeves and do the real work. The spiral model, as you have probably realized by now, is at a higher level of abstraction than the waterfall model. It doesn't quite tell you what stages your life cycle must have, but only tells you what each stage must go through. For this reason, it is also called a meta model of software development.